Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change your display name on Snapchat. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Snapchat app first. So before you dive right into your changing your display name, you need to know a thing, that is your username is a different thing and your display name is a different thing. Your username can only be changed once a year, while you can change your display name every time you like. So to change our display name, you can see your profile picture icon or your Bitmoji icon on the top left corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after you have arrived in this interface, you can see the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see the name as well as username over here. So basically said before, your display name is a different thing, whereas your username is a different thing. So we have already done the username thing. So to now change your display name, let's tap on the name under the account category, and basically this is your display name. You can see the display name tag on the top. Now if you want to change it, let's change it. I want to change it like this, and after that let's tap the save. And there guys, we have successfully changed our display name, as you can see on the name option. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.